Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have 10 real conversations to help you learn English for seeing a doctor. You will hear people making appointments, describing symptoms, talking with nurses and doctors, and understanding test results. These are real situations you will face when you need medical care. If you are nervous about going to the doctor in English, this video will help you feel more confident. Let's get started. Something feels off.
Excuse me, Leo. Did you have a tissue?
Of course. Here is a tissue. Are you okay?
I need some water, too. I feel very dry.
You do not look well today, Emma.
I am fine. I am just very tired.
You look very pale. Did you sleep?
I did not sleep much last night.
You went to the water cooler 5 times.
Did I? I am so thirsty lately.
How long have you felt like this?
Maybe a week. I feel tired all the time.
Can you concentrate on your work?
No, I cannot focus on my tasks.
That does not sound good at all.
I thought it would get better soon.
But it is not getting better, Emma.
I know. I feel weaker every day.
You should see a doctor today.
Today, I have so much work to do.
Your health is more important than work.
Maybe I just need to rest.
Emma, you said that all week.
But what if it is very expensive?
Your insurance will cover the cost.
I guess you are right, Leo.
I will find a clinic nearby.
I do feel quite terrible now.
Sit down. You look a little dizzy.
I am dizzy. My head is spinning.
I'm calling a taxi for you.
A taxi? The bus is much cheaper.
You are too sick for the bus.
Thank you for helping me, Leo.
The taxi is 5 minutes away.
I'm a little worried now.
Don't worry. The doctor will help you.
Okay, let's go to the clinic.
Getting to the clinic.
The clinic is on Madison Street.
Madison Street? Is that far from here?
It is about 10 minutes away.
Should I take the city bus?
No, do not take the bus.
Why not? The bus stop is close.
You are too sick to stand.
But the bus only costs $2.
A taxi is safer for you now.
A taxi is much more expensive, Leo.
I will pay for the taxi, Emma.
No, you do not have to do that.
Friends help each other. Do not worry.
Thank you. You are very kind.
Hello? I need a taxi, please.
Where are we going exactly?
To Madison Health Center, please.
I hope the driver is fast.
The taxi is arriving very soon.
I feel very dizzy again.
Please, sit down on this bench.
My head feels very heavy today.
Look, the yellow taxi is here.
Oh, thank goodness, it is here.
Can you walk to the car?
Yes, I can walk very slowly.
Careful, watch your head, Emma.
Thank you for everything, Leo.
Call me after you see the doctor.
I will call you soon. Bye.
Checking in.
Hello, I need to see a doctor.
Good afternoon. Have you been here before?
No, this is my first time.
Okay. I need to register you now.
Thank you. What do you need?
What is your full name, please?
My name is Emma Silva.
How do you spell your last name?
It is Silva.
And what is your date of birth?
It is March 12th, 1995.
Thank you. Do you have insurance?
Yes, here is my insurance card.
Thank you. I will copy this.
How long is the wait today?
It is about 15 minutes.
That is not too long. Thank you.
What brings you in today, Emma?
I feel very tired and thirsty.
I see. Please fill out this form.
Is this a medical history form?
Yes. Please list your allergies too.
I do not have any allergies.
Use this blue pen.
Do I need to sign here?
Yes. Sign at the bottom.
Should I include my phone number?
Yes. We need your contact information.
Okay, I am finished with it.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Thank you for your help, Mark.
You are welcome. The nurse will call you.
Okay, let me find a chair. A moment alone.
Take a deep breath now, Emma. You can do this. Just relax today. It is a very simple form. Name, address, and medical history. These are easy questions for me. But what if something is wrong? What if it is very serious? No, stop thinking like that, Emma. The doctor will help me today. They help people feel better. Just finish the form, Emma. You are doing the right thing. I feel a little better now. Everything will be okay.
The waiting room.
Hello, is this seat taken?
No, please, have a seat.
Thank you. It is busy today.
Yes, the clinic is always crowded.
Have you been waiting long?
I arrived 20 minutes ago.
I hope the doctor is fast.
Do not worry, they are very good.
This is my first time here.
I come here every month.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live on the next street.
That is very convenient for you.
Good luck with your appointment, Emma.
Thank you, Mike. You are very kind.
You look a little bit pale.
I feel very tired today.
Try to drink some cold water.
I have my water bottle right here.
Do you have a fever too?
I do not think so, Mike.
The nurse will check you soon.
I think I hear a name.
Is that the nurse calling you?
Yes, that is my name now.
Take care of yourself, Emma.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Nurse assessment.
Hello, that is me.
Please follow me to this room.
Okay, I am coming now.
Sit on this high chair.
Thank you. My legs feel heavy.
I need to check your vitals.
What will you check first?
I will check your temperature first.
Do I put this under my tongue?
Yes, please hold it still.
Is my temperature very high?
It is 38 degrees.
Is that a high fever?
It's a mild fever, Emma.
I felt very hot earlier.
Now, give me your left arm.
Are you checking my blood pressure?
Yes, this will feel a bit tight.
My heart is beating very fast.
Your blood pressure is a bit low.
Is that why I am dizzy?
Yes, that is a common sign.
Should I be worried about this?
No, the doctor will see you now.
Thank you for your help, Sam.
Please wait in room 4.
Okay, I am going there now.
Talking to the doctor.
Hello, Emma. I am Dr. Miller.
Hello, doctor. Thank you for seeing me.
I see your vitals here.
Is everything okay with my tests?
Your blood pressure is quite low.
I have been feeling very dizzy.
Tell me about your other symptoms.
I am always very thirsty lately.
How much water do you drink?
I drink 5 liters every day.
That is a very large amount.
I also feel extremely tired, doctor.
When did these symptoms start?
They started about 2 weeks ago.
Does anyone in your family have diabetes?
My grandmother had it for years.
This is very important medical history.
Do you think I have it too?
We need to check your blood sugar.
Will that require a needle?
Yes, it is just a small prick.
I am a little bit scared.
It is a very fast test, Emma.
Okay, I want to know the truth.
I will send the nurse in.
Thank you for listening to me.
We will find the answer soon.
Tests explained.
Why do I need this?
We need to check your blood sugar.
Can you explain why that matters?
Your blood carries very important information.
What kind of information is inside?
It shows how your body uses energy.
Does it show why I am thirsty?
Yes, high sugar makes you very thirsty.
Will you take a lot of blood?
No, it is just a small tube.
How long do the results take?
They will be ready very soon.
I hope my sugar is normal.
This test helps the doctor help you.
Okay, I am ready to start.
Just a small pinch. 1, 2, 3. You did a very great job.
Is the test finished now, Sam?
Yes, keep this on your arm.
Can I eat some food now?
Yes, you can have a snack.
I am very hungry and tired.
Drink this juice first, Emma.
Thank you. This feels much better.
Sit here for 5 minutes.
Okay, I will stay right here.
You are a very brave patient today.
I just want to feel healthy again.
We will find the problem very soon.
The results and a plan.
Hello, Emma. I have your results.
Is the news good or bad?
Your blood sugar level is very high.
What does that mean for me?
It means you have type 2 diabetes.
Oh no! Is there a cure?
We can manage it with medicine.
Must I take a pill every day?
Yes, you must also change your diet.
I will try my best, doctor. Will I feel better very soon?
Yes, the medicine will help you. Here is your new meal plan.
This looks like a lot of vegetables.
Vegetables are your best friend now.
I want to feel healthy again.
Come back to see me next month.
I will follow your instructions, doctor.
Do you have any more questions?
No, I understand everything clearly now.
Good. See you in 4 weeks.
Thank you for your help today.
Thank you so much for watching today. I hope these conversations helped you learn useful English for seeing a doctor. Did you notice how Emma felt scared at first, but felt better when she understood what was happening? This is normal. Doctors are there to help you, not to scare you. Let me ask you, which conversation was most useful for you? Was it checking in at the front desk? Describing symptoms? Understanding test results? Please leave a comment and tell me. Remember these important phrases. I feel tired all the time. How long will it take? What does that mean? And thank you for explaining. These simple phrases will help you talk to doctors and nurses. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with a friend or colleague who is learning English. And don't forget to watch another video to keep practicing your English. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care of yourself, and goodbye.